What's up, YouTube? Guys, this is gonna be another restoration build project. Shouldn't say build, but another restoration. So I did the Mossberg 144 LS I had. That was my grandfather's. This one was mine, but it was as a kid. This is the first firearm that I hunted with ever, like with my dad. I used to hunt birds. Here it is. It's a break open single shot 16 gauge shotgun. It is a Iver Johnson Arms and Cycle Works. That's the manufacturers, and then the model is the Champion. It's a 16 gauge shotgun. It's 28-inch barrel. Yeah, you can kind of see it is very hard to make out the wording. There, but yeah, so I'm going to break this into a few episodes like I did on the other stuff. This is going to be this video is just going to be disassembly, essentially. So I'm gonna pause here, and then because of YouTube, I don't want to show disassembly and reassembly too much. I'll cut in and out. But yeah, let me work on getting it disassembled, and I'll check back in. All right, guys. So I'm going to show y'all some of the disassembly. So we're going to take this this part off. All right, and then now I'm going to break it down open. I'm going to pull backwards. And here you go. It's kind of a basically field stripped. And then I'll have to go further from there to start breaking everything down. All right, so I've taken the 2 screws out of here in the bottom. 2 screws back here, which went to this. Now, I'm assuming I just work this plate out. Yep. And there's this. Which looks like it has a little bend in it. Looks a little rough, but yeah, there it is. And then this is just wood. That piece is done. All right, now I'm gonna move to barrel. I took 2 pins out so far. Then this guy comes out. Came out of there. Inside there's a spring. I'm gonna take that out. Then I'm gonna work on getting this stuff out next. All right. So this front sight, gonna use some lineman's pliers. Grab it. Gonna unscrew it. There you have it. All right, guys. Well, this barrel and it's fully stripped and ready to go. Now it's time for the receiver. There's a screw there. Trigger guard just comes off like that. And I'm gonna continue. Alright, guys, so sanding the furniture for this Iver Johnson shotgun. I already sanded this one. Got it nice and smooth. I'm gonna get this one to where it looks the same. clean it up, and then afterwards I'll work on staining them. All right, what's up, YouTube? All right, guys. So I got the forend and the stock stained. I used Verithane wood stains, the cognac color, and yeah. Oh, my daughter's saying hi. She says, "Hi, YouTube." Hi, YouTube. All right, guys. So that right there is the progress so far on the Iver Johnson. I gotten pretty far already for the first day. Now I just wait. I already dropped off all the metals to get Cerakote, Redbeard Gunworks. It's gonna be Elite Blackout, and yeah. So stay tuned, guys, for another episode down the road. It'll probably be several weeks before they get to that. So, all right, stay tuned. Next episode will be an update on more than likely on the M41 300 Blackout lower.